Hello. Just imagine the horror. Your beloved Oppo A37 suddenly shows the headphone icon, even though you haven't plugged in any headphones at all. No cables, no adapters, just an empty headphone jack. And then, silence. Complete, eerie silence. Not a single sound, as if your phone has completely lost its voice. Frustrating, right? If this is happening to you, don't panic, we're going to fix it together. And by the way, don't skip the very last method in this video. It's the one that saves the day most often. Let's figure out what's going on. Your smartphone is simply confused. It honestly believes that headphones are plugged into the jack. And the number one suspect, dust and pocket lint. Yes, really. Every day your pocket collects tiny bits of lint and debris, and they end up inside the headphone jack. Your phone detects that debris and thinks, great, headphones are connected. Time to mute the speaker. So, grab a wooden toothpick. This is our first and most important tool. Carefully clean the headphone jack without damaging the contacts inside. Believe it or not, this simple trick often makes the headphone icon disappear instantly, and your speaker starts working again. It's completely free and takes less than 5 seconds. If that didn't solve the problem, let's move on to the second method. Restart your phone, but do it a little differently this time. Press and hold the power button and the volume down button at the same time. Think of it as a secret reset that sometimes forces the phone to exit headphone mode. Method number 3 may sound a little unusual, but it works surprisingly well. Open the Google Play Store and install an app called Lesser AudioSwitch. This small app does one simple thing. It tells Android to ignore the phantom headphones and switch the sound back to the phone's speaker. Just install it, open it, tap the speaker option, and in many cases the sound comes back immediately. I've tested it myself, and it's worked reliably. Now for the final method, the one I recommend the most. Take the plug from any wired headphones, insert it fully into the headphone jack, and pull it back out immediately. Repeat this several times in a row. While doing it, gently rotate the plug as if you're screwing it in. In 9 out of 10 cases, this simple but effective trick frees the stuck headphone detection switch and brings the phone back to life. So don't skip this step. It could be exactly what fixes your Oppo A37.